Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create and start a new form using Microsoft Forms for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, can be work, school or business. Let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now go to office.com, make sure you are signed into the account. Let's now go to all applications. Go to forms. We can click on new form or we can click on new quiz. Let's just click on new form. And now let's save this, change the title to and this has been saved automatically. So let's now quit out of what we're working on, refresh the page, and there you go, hello world. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.